30, 31, 32. Doesn't matter. Any of those will work. I'm gonna go down to like 32. And I'll probably have more than 40 inches when I'm all said and done, but just drop your tube down to whichever one you want. And now put your 40-degree angle. So we know we need to go 1, 2, 3 slash sparks. That gives you 45. But then take off 5 degrees. And there's our 40-degree cephalic angle. And then this goes all the way to the bottom of the table. And now extend your leg all the way out. And you have to untuck your foot. Yep. And then get this heel kind of closer to this half, because the steep angle is going to take the calcaneus and throw it back here. So, all right, and now let's move your hips that way. No scooch. There you go. And I probably didn't really need to do that. But you know, just stay just like that, because you just want this all to be coming up off parallel. And the women, a lot of times the hips are over here, and so what you have is a tib fib that very, very subtly doesn't really come straight onto the cassette. It comes this way. That is going to mess with your subtalar joint, so you don't want that. So the next thing we're going to do is get the plantar surface to be perpendicular to the image receptor. So can we, bring those toes back. Now she probably doesn't need this, but just for our comp, we will do this. Take the non-fuzzy side. Are you going to be able to hold your foot back, you think? Okay. All right, what I'm going to have you do is just kind of hold on to that, but don't, I think you're already, we don't want to go beyond perpendicular. So right there. Now take off any, because you can do it, you're flexible now. Take off any rotation here. And then find the tuberosity of the 5th metatarsal. It's right there, so you can find it. And so your center ray, where my thumb is, the center ray is going to be right smack in the middle. Now we're supposed to be at the base of the 3rd metatarsal. To be at the base of the 3rd metatarsal, you really should go a little bit distal to where your thumb is, but just find the tuberosity of the 5th metatarsal be in the middle of your patient's foot. All right, and don't be moving your tube. Be moving your table. Now somehow that just happened. That was not planned or... Now we're going to collimate so tight we're not going to put our marker on. This is the one time. But you're just coming right smack in the middle of that heel and have equal height on both sides. Oops. Okay, equal height on both sides. And I'm also holding that foot to be perpendicular, So, is that good? It's not, because we have external rotation. How about this? Not good. Can't have either one. Remember, we want to image the subtalar joints. Now I'm going to open up, because I want the sustain tacking the tally on this side. All right. Okay, I'm just going to go with that. I still don't have equal light on both sides, but I've been going back and forth, and I'm stopping. So, all right, and then that's how I would image my X-ray. Now let's go ahead and